Number 3. The photomicrograph shows a cell from a type of aquatic plant. Each part labeled on the photomicrograph indicate that this is a plant cell. As we already know, the plant cell has a cell wall and large vacuole, as well as chloroplasts. So from the photomicrograph here, I can see that the biggest circle is nucleus, and then the smaller ones, these ones, are chloroplasts. And Q, of course, is the cell wall, and P is rather a bit confusing. It can be quite confusing, but it's actually attached to the cell wall here, so it must be cell membrane. Hence, so chloroplasts, cell walls, are the characteristics of plant cell that distinguishes from animal cells. So answer should be Q and S, D.